An important ability of almost all control systems is to regulate the flow of electrical power, because electricity is usually the link between the controller and the actuator, which is typically an electric motor. The problem is that the small output of the controller is usually not large enough to drive the load directly and must be amplified in some way. Three classifications of components are used to control electrical power: electromechanical devices such as switches and relays, power transistors and field effect transistors, and a group of semiconductor devices called thyristors, which include silicon-controlled rectifiers and triacs. All these power devices are the subject of this series of lectures. After studying this chapter, you should be able to understand mechanical switch types, configurations and terms, describe the types and operation of electromechanical relays, understand the characteristics of solid-state relays and the advantages and disadvantages of solid-state relays compared with electromechanical relays, comprehend the operation of power transistors and power amplifiers, understand basic JFET and power MOSFET characteristics and applications, understand the characteristics and operation of silicon-controlled rectifiers and basic silicon-controlled rectifier circuits, understand how a triac operates and some triac applications, and finally explain the use of some trigger circuits for the silicon-controlled rectifiers and triac. In particular, those that use the unijunction transistors, programmable unijunction transistor, or a diac. So let's get started.